This is a multiplication problem. We're going to multiply negative 3x squared times the quantity 4x squared minus 3x minus 5. And to do this, we'll just use the distributive law, and we'll multiply negative 3x squared times each of these terms inside the parentheses. So I'd have negative 3x squared times 4x squared minus negative 3x squared times negative 3x minus 3x squared times negative 5. And now we'll just carry out each of these multiplications. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12, and x squared times x squared is x to the 2 plus 2, or x to the 4th power. Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9, and x squared times x is x to the 2 plus 1. This exponent on here is understood to be 1. X to the 2 plus 1 power, or x cubed. And here I have negative 3 times negative 5, which is 15, and that is times x squared. So we have negative 12x to the 4th plus 9x cubed plus 15x squared for the product.